Voice isolation enhances call clarity by isolating your voice using device microphones, reducing background noise. However, it can conflict with AirPods Pro 3's conversation awareness or adaptive transparency modes. As of September 2025, iOS 18.2 includes audio tweaks, but issues persist on iPhone 15 Plus or M3 Max. Common symptoms include muffled audio during calls, voice isolation not activating in FaceTime or Zoom, and background noise not being reduced as expected. Key reasons include the device microphone not being selected over the AirPods microphone, and AirPods settings overriding voice isolation. First, ensure voice isolation is selected in Control Center during calls. Pull down the Control Center and select the mic mode. Next, go to Settings, Accessibility, AirPods, and temporarily disable modes like Conversation Awareness that might override voice isolation. Third, ensure you're running the latest iOS or macOS on your device and that your AirPods have the latest firmware updates. Finally, as a last resort, unpair your AirPods from Settings Bluetooth, then pair them again to reset the connection. If basic troubleshooting fails, manually force mic selection in apps like Zoom using the Use AirPods as mic setting. The underlying cause is mic routing conflicts and Bluetooth latency. Trends show increasing VI-related complaints, with 22% of AirPods Pro 3 users reporting failures. Experts recommend wired alternatives for critical calls due to Bluetooth limitations. Future iOS updates like iOS 19 in 2026 are expected to improve Bluetooth mic handoff, potentially reducing these conflicts. Keep an eye out for firmware updates, as Apple may silently address these issues. As AI-driven audio processing evolves, expect more seamless mic modes, but also be mindful of potential privacy concerns related to mic data usage.